Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and add a stop on Waze app. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and without any further delay, now we'll simply start our video. So for that matter, first of all, you gotta go ahead, access a particular Waze app on your mobile phone. And once you have done so, this kind of interface gonna appear, right? Simply go ahead, tap on this cancel first, and now you can tap on where to option just like given over here. Now go ahead, choose a particular destination of yours. Now tap on this go now over here, and here in the section you're gonna go to this a drop down icon below right corner of the section. Tap on it and tap on this add a stop option over here, and now go ahead, choose yourself a stop for you. So let's say it's the right. Once you're added, tap on this go option over here. Now tap on this add a stop, and now tap on this go now, and now you will be able to see your ride within the stop. That is the way you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I will be seeing you guys in our next video.